You don't have to be an art teacher to do this. It is a simple DIY. Introduce action words to your child while you do this activity. Spend some quality time with your child with these simple and easy DIYs. Improve and enhance their gross motor skills and sensory skills. Show and tell by imitating yourself. Integrate different subjects with art. Learning will be fun. Don't forget to purchase Googly Eyes. Kids love it. Introduce a bit of science with this simple DIY. Do not forget to sieve the sand. And there you have a decorative jar. Ignite the sensory skills of your child. Use different types of sensory objects and let your child explore. Make sure you have a suitable container to create your sensory kit.